everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to walk beginners in electrical design through the basic workflow of PCB design. The whole process isn't complicated. Let's go through it step by step. First, step 1, prepare the libraries. If the components you need are not available in the library, you will need to create them, including components, symbols, and footprints. One important thing to note is that each component must be properly linked to its symbol and footprint, as this forms the foundation for the rest of the design. Step 2. Create a new project and draw the schematic. Add components to your project and complete the circuit connections. This step is mainly about clearly expressing your design logic. Step 3. Convert the schematic to PCB. This means importing your circuit logic into the PCB layout environment, where you can start component placement and routing. Final step, export manufacturing files. This includes exporting the BOM and GUB files, which are used for production. To quickly summarize the workflow: library preparation, schematic design, PCB layout, export manufacturing files. That's all for this video. See you next time.
$85,000 prize pool. The EasyEDA 2026 Stars competition is now open worldwide. Material costs largely reimbursed. $100 JLC coupon for every qualified completed project. Top 28 engineers get invited to JLC Factory to see production up close. No pitch decks, no fluff, just working hardware. Submit your build now.